If you're considering buying ikas Tech GmbH software, there are a few things you should know before making your decision. Stick around to the end and we'll cover 7 essential points that could make or break your decision, especially when comparing it to other leading software in the market. First things first, ikas Tech GmbH has positioned itself as a robust solution for businesses looking to streamline their processes, particularly in the digital space. But does it live up to the hype? Compared to competitors like Salesforce or HubSpot, ikas Tech focuses on a specialized range of services that can be a game changer for certain businesses. If you're considering investing in this software, make sure you understand how it stacks up in the real world. Next thing to consider, the learning curve. Unlike platforms that can take weeks to master, ikas Tech offers an intuitive interface that most users can get the hang of within a few days. This is a huge advantage over other more complex tools that require dedicated training sessions. But while it's relatively easy to use, some of the advanced features can still be a bit tricky to navigate at first, especially if you're new to this kind of software. It's worth exploring all the tutorials and resources they offer. The third thing is the integration capabilities. One of the strong suits of ikas Tech GmbH is its seamless integration with existing tools. It works well with other popular software like Google Analytics, MailChimp, and even some CRM systems. This is a big plus if you're already using tools that you don't want to replace. However, it's not as flexible as competitors like Zapier when it comes to integrating with more niche applications, so if you're using a more specialized tool, keep that in mind. The fourth thing you need to know is the pricing. It's competitively priced compared to the giants like Salesforce and HubSpot, but it also comes with some limitations in the base plan. If you're just starting out, or if your business is smaller, the entry-level pricing could be a great fit. However, for larger businesses, you might want to consider upgrading for additional features. Be sure to assess whether the premium pricing aligns with the additional functionality you'll need. Next up is customer support. This is where ikas Tech really shines. Unlike larger competitors, where it can sometimes feel like you're just a number, ikas Tech offers more personalized support. The response times are quick and the customer service team is knowledgeable. But it's important to note that support is only available during business hours, so if you need assistance after hours, you might run into some delays. The sixth thing worth mentioning is the scalability of the software. ikas Tech GmbH is well suited for businesses that are in growth mode. Whether you're a small company looking to scale or a larger enterprise needing more robust features, ikas Tech can grow with you. That said, it might not be the best option for huge corporations that need highly complex solutions. For most small to mid-sized businesses, though, it provides an ideal balance of features and flexibility. Finally, let's talk about security. ikas Tech GmbH takes data security seriously, with strong encryption and compliance with GDPR standards, which is important if you're handling sensitive customer data. While the system is reliable, make sure to review their security practices to ensure they meet your specific business needs. Many competitors also offer similar security features, but ikas Tech's focus on GDPR makes it stand out, particularly for businesses that deal with European clients. If all of this sounds like it could be the right fit for your business, I highly recommend you try out ikas Tech GmbH for yourself. You can access a free trial through the first link in the description below, which will give you a first-hand look at how it can work for your business. Plus, if you click the link, you'll get exclusive benefits that can make your trial experience even better. So, before making your decision, be sure to take these 7 things into consideration. If you want to try out ikas Tech GmbH, click that first link in the description to start your free trial today and discover how this software could help take your business to the next level.